What's up, guys? How's it going today? And today is a big day. We got the shop all cleaned out for the most part, but today is the start of getting this place turned into our Jesus, the light in here sucks, into our new workshop. We've outgrown the front of the shop, so I think we're gonna tear this wall out. I think we're gonna tear that wall out and we're gonna make it one big shop. We're gonna put another hoist back here, and it's really gonna give us room for storage. Like the Chevelle's been stored outside, which I'm not too excited about, and I have a cold today, so I can't hardly talk. But yeah, so I got a couple things left in here. The company's on their way. They're gonna start pulling gravel out of here today, I think. And we're putting a 6-inch concrete floor in. We're gonna insulate, we're getting lights, we're getting power. It's gonna be pretty awesome. And then right here, we're gonna put a big 16-foot door. We're gonna be able to have more projects on the go then. Like, that's the big thing, is when I pull something into the front of the shop and start working on it, if I need to work on something else, I gotta clean it all up, pull it out, and keep all the parts together. This way, I'm just gonna be able to just pull in another project, have 2 on the go or 3. So I'm pretty excited about that. Like, we got our chariot car that we're gonna build. We've got some auction stuff to go get, and we got a few other things on the go that we wanna do. The Cobra chicken, we gotta put some sort of roll protection in it because we're gonna start doing some stupid stuff with it. But yeah, it's an exciting day. We get to finally, I've been wanting to do, I've owned this property for 13, 14 years, and I've been wanting to finish this shop out basically since I moved here, and I haven't been able to afford it. And this whole social media thing, like you guys watching these videos and supporting us, it's really given me a means to actually do this and do some of the stuff I want to do. And I really, like, this is all happening because of you guys, so I appreciate it so much. All right, guys, it is started. This is gonna go down about, they're digging it down right now to about six inches below, because they're gonna put 6 inches of gravel and then 6 inches of concrete. So got a little bit of digging left back here. But man, is it gonna be nice to just, this wall won't be here and be able to just, it's gonna be one big shop. I'm so excited for that. I've been in here for like 13 years, just kind of making it work, right? So this is pretty awesome. Sling Master. All right, so we got contemporary concrete out here today, and like, this is just crazy. I've never had anything happen so quick. You guys don't mess around.
This one doesn't have it.
One day after they started, and we're slinging in some gravel today and pouring tomorrow. So we're gonna have ourselves a big old pad in here in in a day. That's awesome. thing throws it like 30 feet, 40 feet. Pretty sweet. Sweet unit. So we're on day 2 of getting the shop done so that we can get more stuff done in the shop. So that's pretty awesome. Contemporary concrete. They're out here, they're pouring tomorrow. They'll be cutting the slab on Friday, I believe. This is a pretty cool truck that Sling Master. So, but super dusty in there, and as you can hear, I got a bit of a cold, so I don't want to be in this dust too much. This is awesome. This is a huge shout out to all you guys. You guys gave us a place to put our my content. You watch it, and we're able to do some pretty cool stuff now. And I'm really appreciative that I'm in a position that I can finish my shop, which has been kind of a dream of living here for the last like 12 years. I've wanted to finish this thing and be able to have a full workshop. So it's going to be pretty cool, some of the stuff that's going to come in here. And well, let's talk about some of the stuff. So we start off, we got Frank here. Now I took it off the road. I'm tired of dealing with mice in it. Plus we had the trailer fall on it. But we're always getting mice in here. And I've had this truck for a few years now, and it seems like every time I take the interior out and clean it, it fills full of mice again. So I think what we're gonna do is probably turn it into a burnout truck. It's got a 6-liter in it. It's a LQ4, so I think we're gonna do like a mild methanol build with it, and yeah, or something. We'll figure it out. Now up next is one of the Cavaliers that my wife got me. So this one's an automatic. What I like about that is it's an automatic. So what we're gonna do with this one is we're gonna cut it. I'm gonna cut it. And I'm gonna put a tag axle right here, just a little one. And then we're gonna take the back end and flip it around and make a chariot to pull behind the front. And then we'll actually, it'll swivel back and forth like a horse chariot, but we'll be able to stand in the back. And I want to jump it. Like I want to build like a big 20-foot gap, and I want to jump this thing as a chariot. So that's something else we're working on. And then old Pinky here, the old stripper pull car. This one we're gonna do hard parking with. We're going to see if we can do some hard parking. Maybe we'll pull that out today, maybe, and see what we can do. But no one took on Cletus McFarland's Hard Park the Spark challenge. I don't have a Spark, I got a Cavalier, so we'll try and hard park that. So yeah, and then you guys know the Pink's car, plus we got the Chevelle as well we got to finish. And then we also got my wife's car. So we're gonna get this set up for her to do some drag racing with too. So that's kind of the major projects that we have on the docket right now. But first thing is getting a shop where we can get more than one project in at a time, and then I can get some people to help me with some of these projects. I'm only one guy. You can never have too much gravel when you live on a farm. It just disappears. So they got some extra, so we're just gonna sling it over there on the pile. Leave for like 20 minutes. I got this laid out and tied. This is sweet. Coming along. Well, this is day 2. So they are pouring concrete tomorrow. I never expected it to be this quick, but man, this is awesome. Great crew that has been in here working. I mean, they knocked this out. Said it was a nice, easy job for them today. So, yeah. I'm gonna have trouble putting together a whole video of this build if it goes this quick, because every time I go do something, I come back, they're 10 steps ahead. So, but that's good. So, yeah, get back on the car, I guess. Day 3, guys. So we're day 3 here. We got concrete here. Pumper's on its way. Crew just showed up. Pouring some concrete today. I am not gonna get in these guys' way because they're gonna want to just get her done. So, yeah. But yeah, I just won't get in their way. Oh, man, that's no fun. Okay, so the pumper is a little bit late. So just to get things going, they're wheelbarrowing it. I wish I had another wheelbarrow here to help them. I do have one, but that's the one we took pictures in that we almost fell out of. I don't think that's any good. Let's have a look. It's an old concrete one, but I don't think this thing's in any shape to haul. No, it's broke. Fuck. So yeah, they're gonna be working for a little bit here. I'm not gonna bug them too much because I would be angry if I had to do this by hand. So we'll keep out of their way. Bumper going. Oh, she's looking good. We're just about there, guys. Well, just about done with all the concrete, and then they got a bunch more work. But yeah, it's looking really good. So exciting. What do you think, bud?
Awesome.
Yeah. All right, I just got home, and the concrete crew is pulled out of here. Oh, this is nice. Check this out. Oh, this is so nice. I know my kids are gonna want to play on this. I'm gonna give them like 2 days that they can play on this. This is so sweet. Yeah. It's absolutely mind-blowing that everything started in this little shop here. And now we're expanding the shop. We're gonna have another hoist. We're doing more stuff. So this is day 3 of working on the shop. So we got a couple days off. They're gonna come back in 2 days, I think it is, and saw cut it. And then next week, I believe they'll be bringing in stuff to start finishing out all the framework and stuff like that. So as you can hear, my voice is all raspy and I can barely talk. So I'm gonna try and get some videos edited for you guys. I've been slacking on the YouTube stuff, so I gotta get some stuff edited and get you guys some video. So, but yeah, thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.